below every box. Maybe you don't have any other question? You don't have any other questions? You are not interested in any products? Really? Really? If you have any question, just tell me, okay? Just tell me. I will answer. Or maybe, let me think. How much for that wrong one? Wrong one. This one? This one? Right? Yeah. This is our stainless 16. The full set of stainless 16 is 780 pesos. 780 pesos. The lowest one in stainless series. This one is a very good one. You're welcome. So heavy and so beautiful. And the price is also very good. Do you have a yes, of course. But, yes, you will use such a handle, right? A handle and a piece of rubber band and a tote bag. The tote bag line ever level and screw and some knots. And 100 marbles. This is a full set of stainless 16. And we will give you an extra bag to hold them. When you go out, just take this bag. It's so convenient, right? And all of these is 780 pesos. But now maybe there is discount, right? 780 pesos now. There is a discount. I'm sure. Okay, everyone. Stainless 16 over. Okay, this is our stainless 16. Wow, so happy. Okay, now. Okay. After boss, I have received your good. Your order. Just 2 or 3 days you will receive your goods. Okay. Just wait. Okay, over. Every boss. Do you have your favorite product or are you interested in any product? Let me think. NG boss, I remember you are interested in hero, right? What's your opinion now? Welcome to my live stream. Good afternoon. View my products first and say what product you want to say, okay? Tell me which one you like, tell me which one you want to say, and tell me your price. That's all okay. Every boss, cherish the discount, okay? Cherish the discount. Maybe it will disappear just this late. Seize the chance and don't hesitate. Get your favorite today, right? Thanks for inviting. Thanks for sharing and inviting. Everyone just need practice and yes. So